Before the video starts, at the end of this video, there is a surprise that you don't want to miss, so you better watch the whole video. Do you feel like you're always struggling to make ends meet? Are you living paycheck to paycheck despite working hard? If so, you're not alone. In this video, we're going to explore the reasons why most people are broke and provide solutions to help you overcome these challenges. Welcome to our channel. Money is a topic that affects us all, and unfortunately, many people struggle with it. Despite working hard, they find themselves living paycheck to paycheck and never seeming to get ahead. So, why is this happening? Let's dive in. Number 1, lack of financial education. One of the biggest reasons why people are broke is a lack of financial education. Many people don't have a good understanding of personal finance, which can lead to poor financial decisions. Schools don't teach financial literacy, and many parents don't talk about money with their kids, leaving them to figure it out on their own. This can lead to a lack of understanding of basic concepts like budgeting, saving, and investing, which can hurt their financial future. The solution to this problem is to educate yourself about personal finance. You can start by reading books, attending seminars or workshops, and taking online courses. There are also many free resources available online, such as blogs, podcasts, and YouTube channels that can help you improve your financial literacy. By educating yourself about personal finance, you can make better financial decisions that will improve your financial situation in the long run. Number 2, consumerism culture. Another reason why people are broke is our consumerism culture. We live in a society where we are bombarded with messages to buy things we don't need. Advertisements, social media, and even our friends and family can influence us to spend money on things that don't add value to our lives. This can lead to overspending and living beyond our means, leaving us in debt and struggling to make ends meet. The solution to this problem is to be mindful of your spending. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it's something you really need or if it's just something you want. Consider whether the purchase will add value to your life and if you can afford it. You can also try setting a budget for yourself and sticking to it. By being mindful of your spending and avoiding unnecessary purchases, you can save money and improve your financial situation. Number 3, low income. Despite working hard, some people simply don't earn enough to cover their basic needs. Minimum wage jobs and low-paying positions can make it impossible to save money, let alone invest for the future. This can lead to a cycle of poverty that is difficult to break. The solution to this problem is to earn more money. This may mean taking on a side hustle or starting a small business. You can also consider going back to school to learn new skills or pursuing a higher-paying career. By increasing your income, you can improve your financial situation and achieve your financial goals. Number 4, debt. Debt can be a major factor in keeping people broke. Credit card debt, student loans, and other types of debt can drain our income and make it hard to get ahead. Interest charges can make debt grow exponentially, leading to a lifetime of financial struggles. The solution to this problem is to reduce your debt. You can start by creating a debt repayment plan and sticking to it. Consider consolidating your debt or negotiating with your creditors to lower your interest rate. You can also try to live within your means and avoid taking on new debt. By reducing your debt, you can free up your income and improve your financial situation. Number 5, lack of savings. Many people are broke because they don't have any savings. Emergencies can happen at any time, such as unexpected car repairs or medical bills. And without savings, people may have to rely on credit cards or loans to cover these expenses. This can lead to debt and financial stress. The solution to this problem is to prioritize saving money. You can start by setting a savings goal and creating a budget to help you achieve it. Consider automating your savings by setting up a direct deposit from your paycheck to your savings account. You can also look for ways to cut expenses to free up more money for savings. By having a savings cushion, you can handle unexpected expenses without going into debt and improve your financial security. Number 6, unrealistic expectations. Another reason why people are broke is because of unrealistic expectations. Many people expect to live a certain lifestyle, even if they can't afford it. They may feel pressure to keep up with their friends or society's expectations, leading them to overspend and live beyond their means. The solution to this problem is to adjust your expectations and live within your means. This may mean downsizing your home, driving an older car, or cutting back on dining out or other luxuries. It's important to remember that living below your means now can lead to financial freedom in the future. By making sacrifices now, you can achieve your financial goals and live a more secure and fulfilling life in the long run. Number 7, lack of accountability. Another reason why people are broke is a lack of accountability. It's easy to blame external factors for our financial situation, such as the economy or our job, but it's important to take responsibility for our own financial decisions. Without accountability, we may not make the necessary changes to improve our situation. The solution to this problem is to take ownership of your financial situation. This means tracking your spending, creating a budget, and making a plan to achieve your financial goals. It's important to be honest with yourself about your financial situation and take steps to improve it. You can also seek support from friends, family, or a financial advisor to help you stay accountable and on track. Number 8, lack of patience. Achieving financial stability takes time and patience, but many people want instant gratification. They may want to see immediate results and become frustrated when they don't see progress right away. This can lead to impulsive financial decisions and a lack of progress in achieving long-term financial goals. And the solution to this problem is to practice patience and persistence. Remember that achieving financial stability is a journey, not a destination. Set realistic goals and take small steps to achieve them. Celebrate small victories along the way, but don't get discouraged by setbacks. By staying patient and persistent, you can make steady progress towards your financial goals. Number 9, financial emergencies. Even people with good financial habits can be thrown off by unexpected emergencies like job loss, illness, or natural disasters. These emergencies can quickly deplete savings and put people into debt, leaving them broke. The solution to this problem is to prepare for emergencies by building an emergency fund. This fund should contain 3 to 6 months of living expenses and be easily accessible in case of an emergency. You can also consider purchasing insurance policies like health, disability, or home insurance to protect yourself from unexpected expenses. Number 10, lack of support. Finally, some people may be broke because they lack support from friends and family. They may be surrounded by people who don't prioritize financial health or who actively discourage them from making positive changes. The solution to this problem is to find support from like-minded individuals. Consider joining a financial accountability group or attending financial workshops or events. Surround yourself with people who are supportive of your financial goals and who can provide encouragement and accountability. In conclusion, there are several reasons why people are broke, including a lack of financial education, consumerism culture, low income, debt, lack of savings, unrealistic expectations, lack of accountability, and lack of patience. However, there are solutions to each of these challenges. By making conscious financial decisions, taking ownership of your situation, and practicing patience and persistence, you can overcome these challenges and achieve financial stability. Remember that financial freedom is possible, but it takes time, effort, and dedication. And now that we have come to the end of this video, here is our surprise to you. How many times did you hear the word money during the video? The first 100 people to comment the right number will automatically get into a lottery raffle to win a 30. So what are you waiting for? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.